Hello roller skaters. Today we are talking about a little technique that I'm calling a shoot the duck in to a transition, a ramp sort of thing like this. And I would suggest knowing how to shoot the duck first on flat ground. Kev did a video about that. I'll put the link down below in case y'all have not learned that skill yet, but it's definitely a good skill to learn anyways. And this skill is fun, and it's also, if you're the kind of person who finds the sit in to be difficult, because the sit in you really have to get your hips up, this is kind of a cheat in a way, I'll say. And the reason why is because one foot starts on the coping. So whatever your strong leg is, your strong support leg for shoot the duck, will be your foot on the coping. For me, that's my right foot. All right, so I'm putting the arch of my right foot, the block of my right foot on the right skate on that coping. I'm hanging my left leg down, you know, in the transition. That's my sticking out leg in the shoot the duck. And I have my hands on the coping here, or fingertips, my chest toward my right thigh. And I'm gonna push myself forward and pitch my chest forward and reach my arms forward all at once, like that. Okay? So in a way, this kind of, because you have one foot on that coping, your hips are already higher, so it already kind of is easier to dive in a way, than the normal sit in, you know, seated drop in. And the other thing that's great about this, when you do a normal sit drop in, you have to sit with your butt kind of like on the coping, and when it's really hot, like now, it can be a real pain in the butt, literally. So this is kind of cool because you're a little bit above. Like, yes, your fingertips do touch the coping, but you're not sitting on it because you're lifted from it. All right, so let's try that again. The arch of the foot or the block of the foot on the coping, the strong leg, my right leg, and then extending the left leg forward, coming forward onto the fingertips on the coping, chest forward. And when I go forward, when I drop, reach forward. All right, so that's just something to try, another little fun technique. I bet you could turn that into kind of a stall too if you wanted to, come to think of it. But anyway, that's something to try. Let us know what you think, and see you next time. Bye-bye.